By conservative estimates, there are 3 to 4 million people with drug resistant epilepsy in India. These people have increased risk of morbidity as well as mortality compared to the general population as well as people with drug sensitive epilepsy. Substantial progress has been made worldwide in understanding the drug resistant epilepsies as well as managing people with these difficult to control epilepsies over the past 2 decades. In order to review the progress made so far as well as to plan the future directions, NIMHANS Bangalore as well as the American Epileptologist of Indian origin together are organizing a colloquium on drug resistant epilepsy at the NIMHANS Convention Center, Bangalore, India on August 16, 17 and 18 of 2013. Experts from the United States of America, Canada, UK, Japan as well as from India are participating in the colloquium. Neurologists, neurosurgeons, residents, fellows and PhD scholars in neurosciences, EEG technicians as well as epilepsy nurses are expected to participate in a large number. The colloquium is going to be truly comprehensive and holistic, covering various aspects starting from basics to all the recent developments. Participants are expected to be familiar with all the recent advances in the field as well as share their views with like minded people and establish network with potential collaborators. On behalf of the organizing committee, I invite you to join and support this unique and pioneering venture.